Okay guys, so today I am going to fly my Mavic Air, a GPS drone, inside. Yeah, it's probably going to be a little difficult, and it's probably not the best drone to fly indoors, but we're going to do it anyways. There's two things I'm going to do before I fly indoors that make this a little easier on myself though. First, I'm going to put the prop guards on the drone, and second, I'm going to turn off the Wi-Fi inside my house for my internet because the controller works by Wi-Fi, the drone works by Wi-Fi, and that just might save me a disconnected drone. Okay, so it's really simple to put these prop guards on. You can probably figure it out on your own, but I'm going to show you guys just in case. First, each prop guard is actually labeled with an LF, LR, or RF, RR for where they go on the inside of where the arm goes into. And you simply just place the arm into the little area there, and then these little clips come across right here and just snap into place. So you can do this beforehand. They just fit right into each other like this. It's probably easier to do it that way, but they just clip in like that.